Ireland is an awesome place to visit. It has cool Celtic traditions and super pretty views. The land is really green, the sights are amazing, and the people are really nice. Even though it's not a huge country, there are busy cities and big neighborhoods. But don't worry, there are also quiet roads and paths where you can feel like you have the whole island to yourself. Let's check out some of the coolest spots to visit in Ireland. 1. Brun. In Ireland, traces of its ancient history are scattered all around, but one exceptional site is the Ban Mounds, located in Boyne Valley. Among these mounds, 3 of them, dating back 5,000 years, have been fully excavated and are open for visitors to explore. Newgrange, one of the standout mounds, captivates with its intricately carved granite boulders and a front made of white quartz. What makes it truly remarkable is the phenomenon during the winter solstice. At this special time, the passageway and inner chamber are illuminated by the sunrise that streams through a specific opening called a roof box at the entrance. During a magical 15-minute period, the sun bathes the chamber's decorations in a rich amber light, creating a captivating play of colors before gradually fading away. This unique experience adds a layer of awe and wonder to the ancient history preserved in the Brun Mounds. 2. Giant's Causeway. Located on the northeast coast of Ireland, the Giant's Causeway is a remarkable natural wonder. Imagine steep cliffs meeting the sea, and at their base lies a formation of rocks that gives the impression of being crafted by giants. These rocks, shaped like perfect hexagons, fit together like a giant's puzzle. The intriguing part is that nature, not giants, played the sculptor's role in creating this spectacle. Over an incredible span of 60 million years, the Earth's tectonic plates shifted, lava flowed, and erosion worked its magic. Through this intricate dance of geological processes, the basalt columns took shape, forming the unique stepping stone pattern we see today. For those who appreciate a good view, clifftop trails provide an excellent vantage point to admire these geological wonders. As you stroll along the paths, you'll witness the geometric perfection of the rocks against the backdrop of the sea. To get even closer, a staircase leads down to sea level, allowing you to immerse yourself in the fascinating world of the Giant's Causeway. 3. Discover the wonders of Killarney National Park. Make sure to include Killarney National Park in your Ireland adventure. It's a must-visit. This scenic park is not just home to a beautiful ivy-covered mansion and a 15th century castle, but also boasts a captivating landscape that's part of a special area for plants and animals, Biosphere Reserve. Imagine 3 magnificent lakes and Ireland's largest expanse of native forest. Killarney National Park is truly enchanting. For an immersive experience, take a drive along the scenic 11-kilometer road, passing through the Gap of Dunloe. This route unveils a landscape sculpted by glaciers, adding a unique touch to your journey. Don't miss the chance to explore the rich natural beauty of Killarney National Park. 4. Dingle Peninsula. The Dingle Peninsula is the farthest part of Ireland to the west. It gives people the feeling of being in a distant place, but it's close to a town. The area has old things from the Bronze Age, like houses and stone markers. There are also over 500 small stone houses where monks lived. These monks, in their beehive huts, kept learning alive in the Dark Ages. People enjoy surfing and windsurfing on the beaches, and in the evening, Dingletown is a lively place with pubs for fun and relaxation. 5. Glendoola. Just a short drive south of Dublin, you'll find Glendoola, a monastery with a fascinating history. It was founded in the 6th century by St. Kevin, a hermit monk who plays a significant role in traditional Irish legends. Nestled in a valley surrounded by forests and near 2 picturesque lakes, Glendoola attracts visitors not only with its scenic beauty, but also with its rich historical background. The monastery boasts various structures, and among them, the most prominent is an unfinished 9th century cathedral. Despite its incomplete state, the cathedral holds historical significance. However, what captures the attention of many visitors is the round tower. Rising 30 meters high and equipped with a pull-up ladder, this tower served as a last resort refuge during Viking raids. It stands as a testament to the monastery's resilience and the challenges it faced throughout history. 6. Kinale. Kinale is known as the prettiest town in Ireland. It's by the River Bradon and has colourful shops that make walking around town really nice. There's also history here. On one side of the river, you'll find the remains of James's fort from the 17th century, and on the other side, there's an even older Fort Charles. Nearby, there's the old Head of Kinale, a rocky area that goes into the Celtic Sea, with a cool lighthouse from the 17th century. 7. Galway. Galway is the biggest city in West Ireland. It's famous for its art galleries and shops, which you can find in the charming medieval quarter, with its winding lanes and cobblestone streets. In Galway, there are many places to enjoy live music and a lively pub scene. It's a significant hub for traditional Irish music. Galway is unique because it's one of the few spots in Ireland where people still speak the Irish language on the streets. 8. Aran Islands. The Aran Islands are off the west coast of Ireland, near Galway Bay. People have been coming here for a long time. Because the islands are not connected to the mainland, the people who live here keep a more old-fashioned way of life than in other parts of Ireland. This lets visitors see how things used to be. The islands have ancient forts and places from early Christian times. The views from the cliffs along the coast are really amazing, so these are the coolest spots you should visit in Finland. Have you been to any of these places? Let us know your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!